I made this trimmer, grass trimmer, out of my circular saw that broke down. So I bought this 6.5-inch blade circular saw, a brand called Core Fix. It's a Chinese brand, and it broke down. So I decided to turn it into a trimmer. I think the board, or the circuit board that was inside the body of the circular saw, which you can see now, it broke down, so I couldn't fix it, so I turned it into this trimmer. So all I had to do is to wire the motor and then I cut the battery holder part, and then I made this wooden body of a trimmer out of wood. So the plywood was cut just so that the motor can fit in. So I secured it, and then this becomes the pole, and then the wire, I ran it to the battery. And I bought a switch to test it out, but then this switch broke, so I had to use this light switch. So you can see I just put it on to try it out, but it works. You can see I've already cut grass, so the switch does indeed work, except it's bulky. But I'm able to use it to cut grass, so you can see here. And then I'm going to demo so you can see how it works in action. But for the blade, this blade is meant to cut grass that efficient. So I had to buy a trimmer, an actual trimmer. I don't know how they call it, it's a blade, but it uses these plastic threads to the plastic line to cut grass. So when you buy a trimmer for grass, you normally use this cutter. So I bought this, the Inco one, and I had to modify it to fit onto the circular saw, right? So I had to do some slight adjustment, but it now works. So that is pretty much the trimmer setup. So let's see it in action. You can see I have a handle for it to cut